Namaste. Today I am going to talk to you about a pranayama in Hatha Yoga called as Ujjayi Pranayama. The word Ujjayi means victory. It's a victory over ourselves. Therefore, it's also called as victorious breathing, ocean breathing, the breath of fire, breathing with sound. All these pranayama are the same. This pranayama can be done by everyone. The characteristic of this pranayama is the sound of breath. The sound is similar to a wave sound. Like when you stand on the beach, the wave comes to you and the wave goes away from you. There is a sound of that wave. This sound is the main characteristic of Ujjayi Pranayama. To make it simple, when we were all children, we used to fog the mirror like. Now, you would have observed that special sound which I made. That sound comes by constricting the tracheal region and the epiglottis. The same sound can be done while inhale also, like this. So, the same sound comes in this pranayama, but the mouth is closed. So, it's like this. This sound is the essence of Ujjayi Pranayama. Do not mistake this sound for a snoring sound or a grinding sound from the throat like this. This should not be done. These are not Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi breath is a very simple sound of wave. It doesn't hurt your throat. It calms the system. It calms the overall nervous system and reduces the stress levels. So it's as simple as this pranayama can be done by all age groups. Before food, about 10 rounds in the morning and 10 rounds in the evening. One inhale and one exhale is one round. Do not hold your breath in between. Each inhalation and each exhalation can be for about 10 seconds each. You can start with even 5 seconds, make it 6, 8 and 10. Gradually, you can also improve the duration of inhalation and exhalation. The effect of this pranayama is better if done in a lying down position, because the calming effect of pranayama improves when you are lying down. So let me show you how to practice this pranayama in a lying down position. So I lie down in Shavasana, keeping my legs away and arms away from the body. Relax completely all the muscles and joints. Slowly I start. So this was one cycle of Ujjayi Pranayama. I am sure this pranayama will help all of us to reduce our stress levels, calm the nerves, improve the quality of our sleep, improve the respiratory system and improve the thyroid functions. All the best. Namaste.